Welcome. In this video I will show you how to improve the network signal on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. So the first tip to improve your mobile data signal is to toggle the airplane mode on your smartphone by swiping down the quick settings menu and enabling airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then disabling it just to refresh your networks. Then re-enable mobile data and see if this helps you. Now if this didn't help you or didn't help you enough, then you also have to try to go to an area with better coverage. So maybe move outside the building if you are in the building, or move up the hill if you are very low and you cannot catch a signal. Also, you can to improve your mobile data signal, enable Wi-Fi calling in settings, which you can do by going to settings, then mobile networks, then your SIM card, and then switching the toggle next to make calls using Wi-Fi. And then also, if this didn't help you, you can change the preferred network type from 5G to 4G, because 4G has a lot better coverage than 5G, and see if this resolves the issue. And if this doesn't help you or isn't helping you, then let's reset network settings and try once again. To reset network settings, go to More Connectivity Options, and in More Connectivity Options, scroll down to Reset Wi-Fi Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. Select Reset Settings, then tap OK, and wait until your network settings are reset. Then try once again after restarting your phone. To restart your phone, let's short press the power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe the circle down to reboot option and then wait until the device is restarted. And if after that you still have Wi-Fi and a weak network signal, then you should contact your carrier to check for any outages. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.